Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to fix this warning in the Odoo log. So what I have done is I have taken the Odoo 15 budget module of Odoomates and I was trying to install in Odoo 16 and I have received this warning in the log. So here you can see, if you read the warning Odoo 16, this is my database name. At API Odoo API create the model Odoo add-ons my module is not overriding the create method in batch. So will be seeing how we can fix this warning in the Odoo log. So it says that inside this file account budget of OM account budget module, the warning is there is a create function which is not respecting the batch creation of records. So first of all, what we will do is that we will go to that corresponding module. We have custom add-ons, custom, and here we have OM budget module which is shown in the log, and inside the models folder we have account budget, and what you have to do is that just search for create function. So if you search for create function, you can see we have the create function here which is not overridden properly. So what we have to do is that currently if you check this code, it's written like it will accept only single record at a time, but we know that from Odoo 14 or 15 I think the create is capable of accepting more than values at a time. Like Odoo 16 can create multiple records in a single time. So we should make the create methods, that is whenever we inherit the create method, it should respect the batch creation of that record. So what we have to do is that here we have to make some changes. At API model we have to make it create multi. So let me search for this decorator. Not this model create, let me check, I'm not sure. Let me search for diff create inside the Odoo source code. Yeah, model create multi. Initially what was wrong? Yeah, it seems fine. Model create multi, we have to use this decorator model underscore create multi. Then instead of vals we can put vals list, that the who read the code can understand it's expected to be having multiple values. And I'll write a for loop here for vals in vals list, and I'll move this self inside this for loop. So what I have done is I have just modified this decorator. Initially it was at API model, but I'll use at API dot model underscore create underscore multi, and I'll change the variable name to vals list in order to understand it's a list of values, and I'll iterate that list of value over the for loop, and I just put the self inside like self dot the vals. So we will make a restart and let's see whether that warning appears in the log. I'll clear my log, I'll go to the apps menu, and I'll upgrade the budget module of Odoomates. So Odoo 16 budget, I'll click on upgrade, and if you check the log, you will not see that error. Let me search for batch. Inside the log you can see there is no matches found. So we have fixed that issue. So whenever you inherit the create method, you have to inherit with this format, else you will be receiving that warning message in your Odoo log. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.